This XL electric grill lets your entire family cook together at once, no more waiting turns or cold food. With its massive 70-23 cm surface and 1800 WR power, everyone gets their food exactly how they want it. The adjustable thermostat has 5 settings for everything from pancakes to steaks. Plus, the drip tray catches all the grease for healthier meals. 6 wooden spatulas included, so nobody fights over tools. Get yours, click the link below.
My guest thought I spent thousands on this designer dining set, but the velvet chairs are so comfortable they never want to leave. The gray tempered glass table with its floating halo base creates this incredible modern centerpiece that transforms your entire dining space. 6 ergonomically designed chairs with deep foam cushions mean everyone stays comfortable through long dinner conversations. The chrome legs and diamond stitching scream luxury at an unbeatable price. Get yours before they're gone. Check link.
What if you could answer your door from your bedroom, kitchen, or even 150 meters away in your backyard? This wireless doorbell makes it possible with its powerful 4G private protocol that reaches incredible distances. The 4.3-inch display shows you exactly who's there with crystal clear video quality. Built-in infrared night vision works perfectly in darkness, so you never miss midnight deliveries or suspicious activity. Two-way communication means you can give delivery instructions or warn off unwanted visitors. It records everything automatically to a 128G card and runs for months without charging. Transform how you manage your home security from anywhere on your property.
Stop scrubbing pet stains by hand when this rotating brush tool does all the work and actually removes the smell for good. The Spin Scrub's automatic bristles dig deep while the antibacterial solution breaks down odors at the source. I just spray, let it spin, then suction up the mess. Works on carpets, sofas, even my car upholstery. The 1.4-meter hose reaches stairs without lugging around a heavy machine. 2-year guarantee backs it up. Why waste time scrubbing when this does it better? Order your Vax SpotWash now.
The moment you realize you can survive anywhere with clean water is when this little straw changes everything. This isn't just a filter, it's a complete 5-piece survival system. Advanced technology removes dangerous contaminants from rivers, lakes, and streams. Includes carabiner, syringe, extension tube, and water bag for every situation. Weighs practically nothing but delivers unlimited safe drinking water. No complicated setup or technical skills required. Transform your outdoor confidence forever. Get this life-changing kit today.
Why carry 9 separate tools when this aluminum pen does it all better than most toolkits? The KEZKALS multi-tool pen replaces your screwdriver, flashlight, ruler, bottle opener, stylus, level, and phone holder with one pocket-sized solution. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum, it's built to handle real work. You get 2 pens per pack plus 6 backup refills in a gift-ready box. Perfect for contractors, campers, or anyone who values smart efficiency. Stop weighing down your pockets with multiple tools. Get the KEZKALS 9-in-1 pen set and simplify your carry today.
This AI dog responds to sit faster than my kids respond to clean your room and actually follows through. The Mostop smart robot dog understands simple English commands immediately and performs every action perfectly. It performs kung fu, handstands, push-ups, and even plays music when they finish their chores. The rechargeable battery gives 6 hours of entertainment with just 1.5 hours of charging time. Finally, a pet that listens better than children and teaches them programming skills. Order today and restore some order to your chaos.
Stop fumbling with flashlights while fixing stuff in dark spaces. These gloves literally put the light in your hands. Each finger has an LED that illuminates exactly where you're working. No more holding a flashlight in your mouth or trying to balance it somewhere. The rechargeable battery means you're never stuck with dead batteries when you need them most. The eco-friendly fabric is comfortable and adjustable for any hand size. Perfect for car repairs, plumbing work, camping, fishing, or cycling at night. Click now and get hands-free lighting that actually works.
This motion-activated toilet light with 16 colors just turned my 3 a.m. bathroom trips into a rave party. No more stumbling in the dark or waking up my partner with harsh lights. It detects me from 16 feet away and automatically turns on with mesmerizing color displays. USB rechargeable means no battery waste, and it's completely waterproof. My kids love the rainbow effects. Makes potty training actually fun. Get yours now and transform your boring bathroom into something magical. Stop burning your omelets and wasting eggs. This gadget makes 2 restaurant-quality omelets while you brush your teeth. The Quest Dual Omelette Maker heats up in seconds with its ready indicator light. Pour in your whisked eggs with ham, cheese, or veggies. Close the lid and let it work for 6 minutes. The non-stick plates cook evenly without any oil. Perfect fluffy results every single time. No more kitchen disasters or wasted ingredients. Order now and never fail at breakfast again.
Stop scrubbing pet stains by hand when this rotating brush tool does all the work and actually removes the smell for good. The Spin Scrub's automatic bristles dig deep while the antibacterial solution breaks down odors at the source. I just spray, let it spin, then suction up the mess. Works on carpets, sofas, even my car upholstery. The 1.4-meter hose reaches stairs without lugging around a heavy machine. 2-year guarantee backs it up. Why waste time scrubbing when this does it better? Order your Vax SpotWash now.
Stop staring at screens. This AI chess robot lets you play lichess opponents on a real board while a robotic arm makes their moves. The Sense robot connects to lichess.org so you can compete globally while enjoying tactile, screen-free chess. After one-time Wi-Fi setup, no phone needed during play. The robotic arm moves with human-like precision in just 8 seconds per move, creating an immersive experience that apps can't match. Plus, 25 AI difficulty levels mean local practice never gets boring. Whether you're tech-averse or just want authentic chess, this bridges digital competition with physical boards perfectly. Click now to revolutionize your chess experience.